Richy.
Hi, Swaggy. Hold the chair for her.
Okay. Have a seat, Richy.
You're so gentleman.
It worked. What to do next?
Pour her some water.
Roger. Enjoy some sky juice.
You're so funny.
Thank you, Shohei.
Order for Mr. Swaggy.
Also this here.
What
What should I do?
Shall we? Help! Yeah!